Hello and welcome. In today's video I'd like to show you this hook remover which might be quite useful for some, but I'm actually using the other ones, and if you'll stay until the end, I'm gonna actually show you the hook removers that I constantly use. If you'll find the content useful, don't forget to like the video, and you can also subscribe to the channel if you'd like to support it and become a part of our communities. By the way, if you'd like to check the price for this gadget, I'll put the link in the description, and if you have any thoughts about it, just leave your comment below the video. So, about this hook remover, well, it's fully made from metal. Inside it has this spring, and over here it has this, the push button, which you can actually, when you push it, it actually releases this front part here. So all is pretty easy. You just unscrew it over here, just pull it towards this end, and here you go. You've got a hook remover ready to be used. How to use it? Well, I've got many videos on how to use it, but the general idea is that when the hook is stuck inside of the fish's mouth, as you can see over here, you can put this end through the line, so the line should be stretched. You put it on the line, it goes deep inside of the fish's mouth. You locate the hook goes inside of this hole here. Then you gently push the hook, turn it a little bit, and just take it out from the fish's mouth. All is pretty easy and simple. Remember that in the beginning I've told you that I'm gonna show you the hook removers that I use, and why I've decided to use the ones which I'm gonna show you in a moment. So with this one, yes, it looks pretty nice. It's pretty solid, made from metal, and well, everything seems to be fine with it. But I know that the metal, it actually rusts with time, and therefore I actually prefer using the plastic ones. I prefer using this one and this one. I constantly take them with me on my fishing trips, and if you'll check out my channel, you will be able to find the video about this one and about this one. So that's basically it for today's video. If you'd like to check the price, the link will be in the description. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.